How to create a Python virtual environment venv for projects. Are you curious about how to create a Python virtual environment for your projects? You're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. A Python virtual environment is a special workspace that keeps your project's packages and dependencies separate from others. This way, you can avoid conflicts and keep your system tidy. First, you need to open your command prompt if you are using Windows or your terminal if you are on Linux or macOS. Once you have that open, navigate to the folder where you want to create your project. You can use the change directory command to do this. Now it's time to create your virtual environment. You will run a command that looks like this: python venv. Just replace mynv with whatever name you prefer for your environment. This command will create a new folder named after your environment, which will contain a copy of the Python interpreter and a structure for your project's packages. Next, you need to activate your virtual environment. If you are on Windows using the command prompt, you will type mynv plus scripts plus activate. If you are using PowerShell on Windows, the command is +mynv plus scripts plus activate, ps1. For those on Linux or macOS, you will type source mynv/bin/activate. After activation, you will notice that your command prompt shows the environment name in parentheses, indicating you are now working within that virtual environment. Now that your environment is active, you can install packages using the package installer for Python, which is called pip. Any packages you install will only be available in this environment, keeping everything organized and conflict-free. When you are finished working in your virtual environment, you can deactivate it by simply typing deactivate. This will return you to your global Python environment. A few practical tips. Naming your virtual environment folder venv is a common practice. This keeps it hidden on Unix-like systems and helps reduce clutter. If you are using version control, make sure to add your virtual environment folder to your gitignore file to avoid uploading it to repositories. Using virtual environments is especially helpful when you are juggling multiple Python projects with different dependencies. The built-in venv module has been part of Python's standard library since Python version 3.5, so you do not need to install anything extra to use it. While there are other tools like virtualenv or conda, the venv module is the simplest for basic project isolation. By following these steps, you will set up clean and manageable environments that support your development needs.